Hello, I'm Alan Adcock with ASC Group, and we're a cybersecurity and IT management firm based here in Atlanta, Georgia. And this show is Cyber Sentinel, where we talk about business and security issues. On this installment, we're going to talk about a breach that happened here recently in Finland. Obviously, our audience doesn't reach Finland, I don't think, but you never know. This one was interesting because of the way that this happened, and I thought it would be good to bring to your attention. So there is a company in Finland, I'm probably not going to pronounce this right, Vastamo, and it is a chain of mental health clinics. In this incident, this chain of clinics suffered a ransomware attack. We've talked about ransomware before. Ransomware is where an actor gets into your network and they encrypt all of your data. What we're seeing now is that once a network is penetrated, those evildoers will go in and extract the data first. So they take a copy of all your data. If you don't have any way to monitor that, they'll export all of that data, and then they'll encrypt it all and charge you a ransom to get that unencrypted. In this case, the ransomware gang went in, they snatched all of the patient records out of the mental health clinic chain, encrypted all of that data, and then obviously went after the chain to get them, ransom them to pay to get that unencrypted. The tweak that they did in this case that we have not seen before is they went through that data and they started contacting all of the patients of the clinic and demanding ransoms from the patients, or they were going to release their mental health records onto the internet. So obviously in the past, we've seen healthcare providers where the healthcare provider has been ransomed, but we haven't seen the patients themselves be ransomed. And in this case, obviously, who knows what kind of information they have, is given that it's a mental health clinic type of scenario. But this is highly disturbing to us. I mean, this goes way beyond just the devastation that comes with a ransomware attack, to where now not only are your patients, is that information potentially out there, but they're actively being contacted. So obviously, any small to medium business owner, if your client data gets out and then your clients are contacted by a ransomware gang to pay individual ransoms to make sure that information doesn't come out, devastating for your business. So just want to bring this one up because it was unique in this way. Obviously, we want to help small businesses, medium-sized businesses in our area to defend against ransomware and other malware types of attacks. So if you have questions about how secure you are, how you can lock down your company better, please reach out to us at the ASC Group. You can find us online at www.ascgrp.com. If you have any other questions or issues that you want us to talk about here on the Cyber Sentinel show, reach out to us at #CyberSentinel. Thank you very much.